Hoy tenemos la bendición de presentar una reveladora videoconferencia titulada La alegría del regreso a casa, el redescubrimiento de la Maestra Suprema sobre el universo original, parte 4 de 11, en Entre Maestra y Discípulos, dada en inglés el 26 de enero del 2014 en Los Ángeles, California, Estados Unidos.
There's another thing that I have to tell you. In the center of that universe, there is a supreme supra vortex of energy, this tremendous, unimaginable power that radiates all these positive attributes in all directions in that universe.
Yes, Master.
Wow. And the Godhead has all these attributes, but each region, each Kori has the same as the God attribute. It's just they distinct themselves in one special, embedded themselves the most. Each region have one of the most, for example, a most percentage of one attribute of the Godhead. So that each region has one attribute. It's all positive, all beautiful. But all regions have all other attributes as well. It's just that if you are there, for example, if you go there, you will feel distinctively that this region has love, okay? Overwhelming love.
Yes, Master.
Or forgiveness, or blessing, or grace, etc.
Wow. Yes, Master.
Yes. But they have everything else as well.
Wow.
All the attributes, yes, that you can imagine or not imagine. Okay. For example, Maori, sharing. Luvi, warmth. Rulai, friendliness. I just read different pages for you, okay?
Yes, Master. Thank you very much.
Ism, virtuous. Pukwai, heroic. Sulu, moral. Moli, honesty. Konu, leniency. Yeah. Nui, tolerance. Nipu, truthfulness. Kigo, insight. Ego, eloquence. Sigu, poetic. Feigai, telepathy. Hulai, successful. Other pages. Nook, safety. Auro, loveliness. Mu'au, positive. Kuru, carefree. Igai, beauty. Konu, well-wishing. Koris, this one with S, okay? Koris
Master.
with S is graceful region. That's why you cannot read Koris, because it's different then. But a lot of regions I passed by has the attributes that I cannot write down, cannot translate into our language. It's so different, so unimaginably impossible for us to even think about it, because we don't have these mighty, wondrous, heavenly attributes in our world. It seems like the further I go from the shadow universe border or the seam, the less human-like attributes I can find.
Wow.
In the different regions. The further from the shadow universe, the more different attributes. I cannot find the attributes, however, most wonderful and beautiful adjectives here in the dictionary in order to describe the newer regions that I go further. Well, we should just say further upward. No, it's not really upward, but what I mean is further away from the shadow universe border. Reluctantly, we say like that. The further I go, the less I can find any attribute that we can compare to our human attribute, noblest and most spiritual attribute here on earth. The attributes there is absolutely, completely so unidentical, identify compared to ours.
Wow.
I hope you understand what I'm saying. I can't even express this.
I understand.
And likewise, I'm also frustrated because I want to know the equivalent in Fusu of some of our vocabularies here, but they don't have. Also, they don't have.
Understand.
You know, some very common vocabulary even. It's not just the negative vocabularies. Of course, they don't have. I know that. But some common things, common words in our language, they also don't have it there because they just don't use it there. There's no use for them. No use for them at all.
Yes, Master.
I guess it's just like, when it never rains, you don't know what umbrella is and you never use it and you don't even have it in your house. Yes, okay.
Yes, Master.
And if you live in somewhere like in Washington, D.C. or Seattle, you would never know what desert is. Huh? You will not see the sand, you want to have sandstorm or something like that. Even though you know maybe it exists or in vocabulary or in the television, but in their words, they don't even have that. Huh? Okay.
Understand.
Yeah. But up to now, that is the only one word that is similar to the word curry. Every other thing, I know every other region never repeat. Up to now, 600 plus of them, none of the region have the repeated name.
Wow.
And I was very amazed. My mind was very amazed because the language is so simple. And it's written in many simple words. For example, most of the region are written in maybe 2 up to 4 letters only. And how can it never repeat? You see, like Kuru is K-U-R-U. And Muo is M-U-O. That's it. Yeah?
Wow, very short, yeah.
Yeah, very short. And Igai, I-G-Y. Sometimes it's written like that, but it's pronounced different. That's why, now you understand why it takes me a long time.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. You want some more?
Yes, Master, please.
Too many. Oko is written O-K and the Vietnamese letter O. Oko, effortless. Yeah, the language there has... yeah, by the way, while I'm at it, I read something else for you, okay? As it goes,
Yes,
huh?
Master, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Because we have so many. Oh, listen, whatever, all the beautiful, imaginable virtues and attributes that you can think of, the noblest, the most beautiful, that is God's attributes.
Wow.
Okay? And all the region have that.
Wow.
Every region has that. So it can go on forever, no?
Yes, Master.
Like, for example, like equal, it say equal. If in English, you have to write like this, E-E-Q-W-O-O, in order to read EQ. You see, EQ. But in their language, it's only 3 letters, E-Q-U, equivalent to English, yes?
Yes, Master.
And now, their language has, where is it? Patient. I was so excited. Oh, okay. I have written something here also. Though all regions are equal in status, I need more spiritual merit points as I go further. It's good to enrich this way. What's that? So exciting. I say, so exciting for the soul, heart, and mind. After entering, this is one of the beginning page, you see?
Yes, Master.
After entering Yakasirkam, coming gate, can come and go through each region, but have to go through purifying portals while still connected to this physical world. Mean me, huh?
Yes, Master.
Mean my physical being and my mind, even the soul, when going here and come back, has to go through purifying portals, yeah? Okay. Wow. I say, wow. None would believe. None would believe the joy and the joy and the joy and the joy of homecoming.
Wow.
countless beings chant in melodious voice. It's so beautiful. Welcome home, Timko 2. Timko 2, Timko
Beautiful.
2. Okay, that's what I wrote. And while I am at it, just remind me what we left off, okay?
Yes,
Remind
Master,
me
we will remind you.
to tell you. Okay, this is similar. Okay, I wrote it here. First enter Yakasir. Then from inside original universe open outlets to pass on into this world's receiver. Okay, this is Yakasir camp. It's round like this, yeah?
Okay, Master.
It's not this small, but it's not big. It's about
I see.
this big, yeah? About this big.
Yes,
About
Master.
an embrace, full little woman embrace like mine, each. That. It's only one Yakasir. And then this is an outlet after from inside the OU. After enters Yakasir, then the outlet can be open each time so that I can come in to the different regions. Yeah, only because I'm still connected here. Yeah, and then the purifying portal for each regions. I say not for natives, not for the natives. Some bigger, some smaller. It's about 77 centimeters tall and 35 centimeters wide.
Wow.
And this one, the diameter is 94 centimeters. The Yakasir is round like that, 94 centimeters round. It's about like this, right?
Uh-huh. Yeah. Yes, Master.
Whatever, yeah. The diameter. Huh? And then overall shape of the portal outlet is about 80 centimeter on the long side and 36 centimeter on the shorter side. It's oval shape. There are three different shapes.
Master.
Yeah, okay. Just by the way, before I forget, no? And the language? We were at the language, right?
Yes, Master.
Okay, I'm telling you, I will look. I'm not too excited. Oh, I'm like drinking 10 coffees today. But I didn't drink. Okay, I wrote here on the 1st of the new year, huh? 2040, yeah. On the 1st, I said here, happy, peaceful, vegan New Year to all, and all will be well. To all.
Thanks,
Okay,
Master. Thank you very much, Master.
okay. And then thanks heaven for facilitating this transference of spiritual merit. Oh, why was that? Oh, because I just gave away 53 billion of zillion of million of zillions of uncountable AXS. This is beyond countless zillions already. Understand, to the world for with love. Okay, that's why it's not for.
Thank you so much, Master.
No, that's nothing. That was just the beginning of the year. There are more afterward.
Wow.
But I thought that was for original. But it's not. So I say thank you, heaven, for facilitating this transference of spiritual merit point to the world. For all beings on this planet to have more enlightenment, thus more peace, more happiness, more in all possible important aspects. Love, 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 love. Praise be the almighty power of the universe and all heaven, positive power to all by God's will. And then that was I did not know about the universe yet. Okay?
Wow. Yes,
I mean
Master.
the original. That was the first day of New Year. And then next after that, wow. New Year. New rediscoveries. So happy and grateful. From now, move on to spiritual mighty portals. That wasn't the original universe yet. Okay?
Wow.
Love this, love this. Wow, much, much, much more powerful than any divine connection line previously known. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all your help. And then I jumped level. I thought I jumped level. You know, the mind thought it jumped level. And then discover life source much more powerful. And then wow, blah, blah, blah. And because I have a lot more of that, much quicker and more abundant. So I can donate again.
Wow.
1,700,000,000,000 of zillion of millions of blah 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 blah. You know.
Wow, Master.
You know that the AXX is way above anything that you can imagine already. Okay, it's not
That's
a million,
amazing.
zillion, nothing. Okay, to this world for all beings to enjoy more, God's given life more in love, wisdom, peace, contentment, and what and other important aspects as heaven see fit. Thank you all for facilitating this merit points transference. I will be more diligent. Now I have only 50,131,000,000,000 AX spiritual merit points left. But it's wonderful to earn so much in a short time. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, oh heavens, for help. And that I can be able to donate. All right, discover different portals now. Discover more, much more powerful than before. And then I keep going, and then donate again. A lot more, okay? You know, okay?
Yes, Master.
And now I have only 210 zillion of million of zillion, blah, 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 okay? May all beings here be more enlightened, peaceful, compassionate, loving, caring, and thus live happily through my meditation, merit, donation. Thanks heaven for help. I always thank heaven, okay? That was before.
Yes, Master.
Okay, I have to know when is the... I donate again on the 4th of January. The 3rd of January, donate a lot. And 4th of January, because I earn so fast, you know? I can afford
Yes,
it.
Master,
I thought I
understand.
couldn't afford it. But then at one time, I was told, please stop.
Oh, why, Master?
Because I need a lot of fuel to go. I didn't know that I need a lot more. I thought I didn't need much merit. I couldn't donate. But then I was told to stop for a while because I need a lot of fuel to go up. You know, like you can't go to the space with the car. Yeah?
I see.
Okay.
Understand.
I need a lot. So then I donate on the 4th, 91 billion, blah, 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 blah. Okay? Now I have only 2 billion A's, but this is A's now. It's not AX anymore, AY now. It's a multi-dimensional monumental numbers again, okay?
Yes, Master.
And now, okay, this is the day. I donate A's, you know, spiritual merit point to this world. And the universe also accordingly for peace, because I have a lot at that time, so I can donate also some to the universe. Spiritual upliftment, blah, 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 huh? You know, right? Okay. And then, when did I enter the journey? I don't know. Oh, because I don't have enough room, is it? 13 hours, 23 minutes. On the 5th of January, I enter the original universe. It's written here, my God,
Wow.
it get better all the time.
Wow.
And then I enter the Yakasya. Before that, I written before here, because there's no room here, so I wrote in the front. I said, enter Yakasya, yeah, and then enter the
Yes.
universe. Yeah, that's what it was. Okay, now I found something. Oh, I told you it's bits here and there, yeah? You don't mind, huh?
No, Master. Thank you so
Okay.
much for sharing this with us.
Yes, and we come to the language later, if you remind me, please.
Yes, Master.
While I am at it, before I forget, there are 12 beings elected as council of the OU. You know, at the council of the OU, the whole OU. And I'm the
Yes,
first,
Master.
the first of the 13. Yeah. Unchanged, irreplaceable. Other 12 also never changed, never replaced. Each region, region has 13 council, the same like that. One of them is Chief Lord, also elected, unchanged, irreplaceable. Our universe here, up to extreme cosmic region, is called the shadow universe, or we say SU. The above is the original universe. They don't have gods and goddesses. So, how you say, for the sake of understanding, I call them goddesses, Godses. That's combine God and goddesses
I
together.
see, understand.
So in the original region, they don't have God and goddesses. They are neutral. So I call them goddesses as a neutral term. Their language is Pusu. And their language, okay, we come to their language, by the way. Look at that. Pusu has around 86 zillion 133 trillion 545 billion 742 million 331,660 single vocabulary words.
Wow.
And 30 alphabet as we would compare it to this word like that, if they even have this comparison. Okay, huh?
Yes,
Yeah.
Master.